Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It channel and news. Well, we are, of course, approaching what will be Black Friday for the purchase season. It's one of the biggest, if not the biggest time of the year. It will be followed by what is also very popular Cyber Monday. One of the things to be careful on these two shopping days is the deals that they're going to offer you. One of the biggest things that we've seen in recent years is that a lot of the deals that are shown are actually not real deals, because throughout the year, if you look at the price of the different sales, they actually are at that price regularly over the course of 1 year, showing us that that price can be matched almost any time of the year, and it's not really a big deal. So you got to be careful in really choosing the deals that will be offered to you. One of the things also that is important to understand is to be very careful of scams. It's the best time of the year for scamming and phishing attempts, trying to lure you and make you lose some money by giving you deals that are way too good to be true. And remember, when something is way too good to be true, it is in general. Plus the fact that some will try to fake you into getting something at a really good price, but in reality, you'll never receive anything. So, as a online shopping and as a shopping day of Black Friday, just make sure that you purchase from well-known companies that have been in business for a long time, and avoid purchasing from what looks like new companies that you never heard of. It is the best thing to do. And be careful where you purchase and what price you pay for the items. Make sure there's no little written, small written print that prevents you from exchanging it or returning it if it's not what you like or what you want. And just overall, just be careful. Usually remember, if you feel that it's kind of weird that something is at a certain price, it probably is. Something is probably wrong, and you probably have a good feeling. So that's the big tips to be careful of. And remember, once again, a lot of the Black Friday deals are not really deals. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.